What up? I'm making this video for Richard, who has the Traveler's Bliss custom massage cushion. And here it is. It's for people who are on long flights or truck drivers, anytime you're in an uncomfortable seat, or you just want to be more comfortable when you're on sitting for a while. So here's what it looks like. So Richard, I have some ideas for you. So I obviously don't have your product. I know it's not released yet, you said. So here, I think this baseball glove is a little bit roughly the size of the seat cushion. So I'm using this as a placeholder. And see, so it's on an airplane seat right there. So I added these airplane seat backgrounds. So here's what it looks like. Maybe this looks kind of cool. That looks like a somewhat uncomfortable leather seat. Here, let me move it closer. And then you can play around with the angles of how it's situated on the background so that it looks real. Then you can kind of just, like, oh, that seat looks terrible. Let's put this seat cushion on it. So something like that. That's what I was thinking. Let's see what else we have. Airplane seat 5. Oh, maybe this is actually the best background. And then I want to light it well because this is kind of reflective. Another thing to do when you're doing this, make sure you put on the spill suppression. Because see, it looks a lot better with the spill suppression on. And yep. Okay, so now let's think of some foreground effects. So I'm gonna ramble a little bit because I'm thinking up of foreground effects for the first time for your product. But what if we do something like a mystical background, like Gold Fairy Swarm 1, almost as if these are kind of like almost like your cushion is like almost like magical. Like when you sit on it, it feels like magic. So what about something like that? And then another thing you can do, I have a pretty small green screen. If you're using, another idea I had for you, like if you have a human-sized green screen and you put a smaller green blanket on a chair, what you can do is literally sit in like all sorts of different settings, like you personally sitting on this, and then in the background there can be like a truck driver's seat, like an airplane seat. I can get, like, if you think that's a good concept, I'll add a bunch of chair and seating backgrounds just for you. So anyways, moving on, let's see what other foregrounds we could do which makes sense. So this can kind of work, I think. What if we do, like almost like it's a magical seat cushion. Like when you sit on it, it's like feels incredible. Okay. What else can we do? Pretty sure we can find something in sparkle and particle effects. What about something like this? Oh, okay, yeah, maybe you like that. Like again, like I'm going for kind of like mysticky, magical type foreground effects, which I think can work well for what you're trying to do. So yeah, definitely check out the sparkle and particle effects here. Plants and flowers. Maybe this one can work. Falling flower petals 8. Almost like it's almost like you're going to bed in this seat cushion. Again, maybe some of what I'm doing isn't making sense, but I'm brainstorming here. Maybe something here can work, like Again, I'm going for like a magical type feel. What about this one? Oh, like what if it's kind of like, so because it's a massage cushion, I'm assuming it kind of like vibrates. So what if you, oh, so one thing which we're gonna add in the app are multiple foreground effects. So what you'll be able to do is have like multiple, put like 1, 2, 3, 4 wherever the vibrations are to kind of accentuate that. So that's an idea. For now, you can just do one of these. You do lightning power. Probably you don't want to do that because that doesn't really give you any sense of comfort. How about we do an animal? Because, you know, when some kind of relaxing animal, like butterflies, like when you're sitting on your cushion, it's almost like, I don't know, something. Okay, maybe that didn't make sense. What if we have a dragon using your seat cushion? Ah, that can kind of work. Okay. Or what if we have a dog dancing? Okay, this doesn't make any sense. Sorry about that. Okay, maybe this animal, maybe this, or what if we have an orange adult cat who likes your seat cushion? Like it's good enough for cats as well. Okay, maybe that can kind of work. Again, you see where I'm going here. Something to do with comfort, something like magically comforting. So yeah, that's it for now. Please let me know what you think. If you want me to add more seat backgrounds, please let me know.